Hi, I am Jay Kumar, and today we are going to see about marketing management topics. Can anyone please recap the previous classes? Okay. In previous class we have seen about need and why we need to study the channel levels and different kind of marketing channels like consumer marketing, industrial marketing, and design marketing channel system, etc. Can anyone please guess the today's topic? Okay. It's wholesale and retail. Today we are going to see about retailers and their types and functions, then wholesalers and their functions and types with some case studies example. First we are going to see about retailers. A retailer is a person who buy goods from their manufacturer with a bulky basis as a wholesaling, and a uh, re- retailer resell the goods to their customer with some MRP rate, like our grocery shops, etc. And types of retailers, they are classified into four types based on sales volume, product mix offered, and the form of their ownership and method of operation. And their functions are convince their customers and give guarantee to their customers with service, and their financing status is good as well as for the transaction of money, and their promotional activity for their products, and they will have a storage function for their goods with the intelligent service for the manufacturer to give to their customers, and act as a buying agent for the consumers. And we move on to the wholesaling. Wholesaling is a process with selling the product with the bulky basis. So wholesaler is a person who sells the product bulky, uh, who is always known as a manufacturer also, and retailing wholesaler also. The functions of wholesaler is anticipating their customer needs and give selling promotion, and financial wise they will give a capital amount and also have a storage facilities with the breaking bulk method, and also has a transportation for their goods with some risk taking uh, characters. And it has a three types. First one is a full functional wholesalers, and another one is a limited function wholesalers, and another one is a industrial wholesaler. uh, we have seen this with the case study of Mizo is a Indian startup which was made on the 2019, who is the best reseller in India, and it always act as a wholesaler with for their small vendor shops for bulk products, and their login sellers and seller list on the products, and also their with their wholesale price for the bulk order purchase. And they will act as a retailer also by their retailers who log into their application and selling their products to their own social media platforms. Okay, now we seen some assessment for in this topic. Retailer is a person who sells the goods in a bulk quantity, smaller quantity, or both A and B, or none of this. Can anyone please tell the answer for this? Yes, the answer is the smaller quantity. Okay, now we seen some activity for this topic. Can anyone relate these pictures? Yes, first one is Jeff Bezos, who is the founder of Amazon, one of the founder of Amazon, and next to that, Achi Masala and their founder. Can anyone please guess the today's topic? Yes, it's direct sales. Direct sales uh, is a method of selling the goods directly to the customers from the manufacturers. It has two types. One is a single level and another one is a multi level. Single level marketing direct sales are the uh, sales process. In this, they will have a one level of sales person from the manufacturer and the consumers. And coming to the multi level sales, there is a numerous number of that is two or more levels of salesperson in between the manufacturer and to the customer. And the method of direct selling is, first one is the one-to-one sales, which is directly interact with the customer and give the services and sell their products. And another to this is online sales, which is selling your goods on their online platform like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Sorry. And another one is a use social media platform like Instagram and WhatsApp and promoting their products and selling their products to their platforms. And these are the largest and well-known trending nowadays in the sales field. And we have seen this with the case study example of Tindukal Talapakati. In Tindukal Talapakati, these are the single level sales because their customer is directly interact with their waitress from the from the cook. Then they have give a feedback to their waitress and easily interact with their customers also. And we move on to the next topic, which is franchise. Franchise is a process of giving the ownership of their business to the franchisee with the money basis. And it has a basic of three types. First one is a product franchising and manufacturing franchising and business format franchising. And this also we have seen with the example of Tindukal Talapakati case study. For Tindukal Talapakati, they have give the franchise to the franchisee with a minimum requirement of 800 to 1000 square feet of shop area, with the investment amount of 15 lakh to 13 lakhs based on their infrastructure. And nowadays, Tindukal Talapakati has 80 plus franchisee outlets in India. And in this process, Tindukal Talapakati get a commission of 8% of total revenue, and 92% go to the franchisee. And now we have to see the assessment for this topic. Direct selling can be termed as multi-level marketing, network marketing, or both A and B, and none of this. Can anyone please tell the answer for this? Okay. The answer is C, which is both A and B. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.